Welcome to 603 Chinook Drive in Daleville, Alabama. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house with a special space for a fur friend in mind. You'll see that it has a spacious 3/4 acre yard as well as a newly built deck along the back. Lots of room for activities with a small garden in the back. Now we'll take you inside. Here you'll find the whole room has been remodeled with new LVP flooring, whitewashed walls, and there was a wall closed in for an accent. You'll see that there are all new cabinets and appliances. And then we finished the space under the stairs. Downstairs bathroom was completely redone. A small bedroom that would be perfect for an office. One of the downstairs bedrooms. And now we'll take you upstairs. Here you'll see the master bath, which is also the second floor bathroom, completely redone with soaker tub and stand-up shower. Lots of closet storage on each side of the bedrooms. And as mentioned previously, a special place for your fur friend if you have one, or for storage. And last but not least, the 4th bedroom upstairs with more closet storage. And there you have it.